Brisbane International Airport departures, and today I'm going to be catching a VietJet flight to Ho Chi Minh City, and that flight conveniently leaves at 23:25 in the evening. Okay, I'm just about boarding on the VietJet to Ho Chi Minh City, and this flight is due to leave at 23:25. Okay, well, we're all loaded and ready to push back.
It appears to be a pretty good morning. We're expecting about 27 degrees. Arrival around about 6 in the morning at this stage. Very shortly now, V will be playing pre-recorded safety message. We'll ask to listen very carefully. And we anticipate about another 20 minutes just to have all the paperwork put away. Thanks for your understanding. Thank you.
Okay, Captain John Davis has just come on and told us the engineers have nearly finished putting the left-hand side of the plane back together. We should be taking off just about an hour late.
Otherwise we'll find circles.
You couldn't make it up.
Everything will finish in the next around 30 minutes. Once again, we do apologize for the inconvenience.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be taking off shortly. Please enjoy. Towards you, place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.
Cabin crew, stay seated for takeoff.
something, and this is the first food that's come round. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. 7 a.m. Brisbane time. Had about 2 minutes sleep, and I've turned the lights on, bringing some kind of comestibles round. I swore I'd never do one of these overnight flights again. It's 8:32. Some people seem to get breakfast and some didn't. They have a way of looking at your boarding pass to see if you're going to get any refreshments. This is quite unusual. My passenger friend and I, we didn't get any breakfast. This is my passenger friend Ben.
That's it.
What's your story, Ben?
I'm on my way to Germany to move there, and I lived in Vietnam for 1.5 years, and I've just gone home for my brother's wedding from Vietnam to New Zealand, and now I'm making the journey to Germany. It's a long way to do it, but this is just a layover in Saigon for me.
And you're going to be teaching?
Yeah. As a teacher in New Zealand, and a teacher in Haiphong in Vietnam, and for elementary school, for primary school, and now I'll be going to Germany, Stuttgart, to go teach there as well, with my German passport. So it's helpful. No visa needed.
Very good.
Thank you.
Để cập nhật thông tin về lịch bay, điểm đến, các chương trình khuyến mại, quý khách truy cập trang web vietjet.com, ứng dụng VietJet hoặc số điện thoại 19001886. Một lần nữa, toàn thể nhân viên phi hành đoàn xin cảm ơn quý khách đã về cùng VietJet hôm nay, mong rằng sẽ được đón tiếp quý khách trên
So tired. I'm straight through to Malaysia now.
Oh, God.
Myself.
Just coming off the end of an 8.5 hour flight with VietJet, heading down to immigration and customs, I guess. Okay, so that was the first experience of VietJet. Plane was 333. Staff very nice, all dressed nicely, and food moderate. Right, stepping out into the melee, Saigon arrivals, and it's finally on the plane, very comfortable, nice seats, staff good, no complaints really. Unfortunately, no entertainment on the back of the seat, so nothing to do but read the menu card or look at your phone for 8.5 hours. Anyway, all good. So walking out of arrivals, the taxis, the hailing is across the other side behind the blue signs. Now make sure you've got the Grab application installed on your phone. Fire it up, and then you can select between scooter or car. If you've got luggage, obviously you choose car, and then paste the address of your hotel into the space, and then it asks you where do you want picking up, and it finds that itself. But when you choose location, and here are some of the receipts for the Grab rides I had, and the ride from the airport to the hotel in District 1 was 114 dong. Thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see what else happens to me in Vietnam.